Leasing automation equipment has numerous benefits for customers and is a smart financial decision. Because a lease may qualify as an operating expense, the monthly payment can be fully tax deductible. By far, the biggest advantage of leasing is that it conserves capital by offering 100% project financing. First Financial makes all milestone and progress payments to America in Motion on behalf of the customer, eliminating any large out-of-pocket expenses. The customer does not start making payments until the project is delivered and installed, and they gain the benefit of the solution. First Financial finances the entire project, including all hardware, software, services, maintenance, and spare parts. This is significant because typically these projects have a large soft cost component, and banks struggle with soft costs because there are no assets associated with them. Leasing provides customers with flexibility at the end of the lease term, with the option to purchase equipment or upgrade to a newer system. It also shifts the risk of obsolescence away from the lessee and onto the lessor.